Picture this. You're standing in your kitchen, staring at two ordinary ingredients that hold extraordinary healing power. What if I told you that combining these pantry staples could revolutionize your health routine? This isn't some trendy internet fad. This is ancient wisdom backed by modern science, championed by health experts like Barbara O'Neill. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, you create something so powerful that even skeptical doctors are left scratching their heads in amazement. The results people are getting with this simple combination are nothing short of miraculous. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to use it for maximum benefits. Let me share a real-life transformation that will make you a believer. Meet James, a 58-year-old construction worker who had been suffering from chronic knee pain for nearly a decade. He'd tried everything: painkillers, physical therapy, even cortisone shots that provided temporary relief but came with nasty side effects. Then his daughter stumbled upon Barbara O'Neill's work and suggested he try a castor oil and baking soda compress. Skeptical but desperate, James gave it a shot. He mixed the two ingredients into a paste, applied it to his knees before bed, and wrapped them in warm cloth. The first morning, he noticed less stiffness. After 2 weeks, he could climb ladders at work without wincing in pain. After a month, he canceled his scheduled knee surgery. His doctor couldn't explain it, but James knew the truth. This simple, natural remedy had given him his life back. Now, let's break down why this combination works so incredibly well. First, the superstar of our duo, castor oil. This isn't just any oil. It's been used medicinally for over 4,000 years, with records of its use found in ancient Egyptian tombs. Modern science has identified its secret weapon, ricinoleic acid, which makes up about 90% of castor oil's fatty acid content. This unique compound has powerful anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and pain-relieving properties. When applied topically, it penetrates deep into tissues, stimulating circulation and reducing inflammation at the cellular level. But here's where it gets really interesting. When you combine it with baking soda, you amplify its effects exponentially. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is far more than just a fridge deodorizer or baking ingredient. It's a pH balancing powerhouse that can neutralize acids, exfoliate dead skin cells, and create an environment where harmful bacteria and fungi can't survive. When mixed with castor oil, it forms a smooth paste that enhances absorption while providing gentle exfoliation. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps open pores and allows the castor oil to penetrate even deeper into your skin and tissues. This synergistic effect is what makes the combination so much more powerful than either ingredient alone. Now let's dive into the specific ways you can use this miracle mixture. First up, skin health. If you struggle with acne, eczema, or just dull, tired-looking skin, this combination can work wonders. The baking soda gently removes dead skin cells and excess oil without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier, while the castor oil delivers deep hydration and fights inflammation. Here's exactly how to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough castor oil to form a spreadable paste. Apply it to clean skin using gentle circular motions, focusing on problem areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, less if you have sensitive skin, then rinse with warm water. The result? Clearer pores, reduced redness, and a radiant glow that no expensive cream can match. Many users report their acne starts clearing up within just a few applications. But skin benefits are just the beginning. For those suffering from joint pain or arthritis, this mixture can provide remarkable relief. The combination works on multiple levels. The castor oil reduces inflammation in the joints, while the baking soda helps neutralize the acidic environment that contributes to pain. Here's the protocol. Make a thicker paste, more baking soda than oil, and apply it generously to the affected joint. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent staining your clothes, then wrap in a warm towel. The heat helps the active ingredients penetrate deeper. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for severe pain. Many users report significant reduction in swelling and pain after just a few applications. It's particularly effective for knee pain, stiff fingers, and even plantar fasciitis. Hair health is another area where this duo shines. If you're dealing with hair loss, dandruff, or slow growth, this could be the natural solution you've been searching for. The castor oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles, while the baking soda removes product buildup and balances scalp pH. Here's how to use it. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda to form a thick paste. Section your hair and massage the mixture into your scalp using your fingertips, not nails, in small circular motions. Cover with a shower cap and leave on for 30 to 45 minutes before shampooing as usual. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and refreshed your scalp feels. With regular use, once or twice a week, you'll see reduced hair fall, faster growth, and noticeably thicker hair within a few months. Now, let's talk about something most people don't realize. This mixture is incredibly effective against fungal infections. Whether it's athlete's foot, toenail fungus, or even yeast infections, the antibacterial and antifungal properties of both ingredients make them a formidable foe against stubborn fungi. The baking soda creates an alkaline environment where fungi can't thrive, while the castor oil penetrates deep into tissues to attack the infection at its source. For nail fungus, apply the paste directly to affected nails before bed, cover with socks or gloves, and leave overnight. For athlete's foot, apply between toes and let sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. Many users report complete clearance of fungal infections within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. But perhaps the most surprising benefit is what this mixture can do for your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is your body's drainage network, responsible for removing toxins and waste. When it gets sluggish, as it does for most people due to stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins, you experience bloating, fatigue, and increased illness. Castor oil packs have long been used in natural medicine to stimulate lymphatic drainage, and adding baking soda enhances this effect. Here's how to do it. Apply a generous amount of the mixture to your abdomen, especially over your liver area or swollen lymph nodes, like under your arms or in your neck. Cover with a warm, damp cloth and relax for 30 to 60 minutes. Many people report feeling lighter, less bloated, and more energized after just one session. Regular use can significantly boost your immune function and detoxification. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why aren't more doctors recommending this? The truth is, modern medicine often overlooks simple, natural solutions in favor of pharmaceutical approaches. But the science doesn't lie. Studies have shown that castor oil packs alone can improve liver function by up to 30%, reduce inflammation markers significantly, and even enhance fertility by improving circulation to reproductive organs. When you add baking soda's ability to alkalize tissues and improve oxygen utilization, you've got a remedy that outperforms many prescription treatments, without the side effects or high costs. Here's something even more fascinating. This mixture can be a game changer for oral health. Mixing a pinch of baking soda with a drop of castor oil creates a powerful toothpaste alternative that whitens teeth, reduces gum inflammation, and fights bad breath at its source. The antibacterial properties of both ingredients help eliminate the harmful bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease, while the mild abrasiveness of baking soda gently removes stains. Simply dip a damp toothbrush in baking soda, add a drop of castor oil, and brush as usual. Your mouth will feel incredibly clean, and with regular use, you'll notice whiter teeth and healthier gums. For those dealing with scars or stretch marks, this combination can help fade them significantly. The castor oil penetrates deep into scar tissue, helping to break down fibrous tissue and promote healthy cell regeneration, while the baking soda exfoliates the top layers of skin to reveal fresher skin underneath. Apply the paste to scars or stretch marks daily, massaging gently for 1 to 2 minutes before leaving on for 20 minutes. With consistent use over several months, even old scars can become noticeably lighter and smoother. Now, let's talk about proper preparation and usage tips to maximize your results. Always use high-quality, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. The darker the color, the better. For baking soda, choose an aluminum-free variety. The basic ratio is 1:1, but you can adjust based on your needs. Thicker for exfoliation, thinner for sensitive areas. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner elbow and wait 24 hours. Store your mixture in a glass jar. Plastic can leach chemicals in a cool, dark place. For best results, use it consistently. Most benefits become noticeable after 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. Adding a few drops of essential oils can enhance the effects. For pain relief, add peppermint or wintergreen oil. For fungal issues, add tea tree oil. For relaxation, add lavender. But remember, essential oils are potent, so never use more than 2 to 3 drops per tablespoon of base mixture. Now, I have to warn you, once you start experiencing these benefits, you'll never look at your medicine cabinet the same way again. This is the kind of natural wisdom that gets passed down through generations because it works. In a world full of expensive, complicated health solutions, sometimes the most powerful remedies are the simplest ones. And if you're ready to take your health into your own hands, this castor oil and baking soda mixture is the perfect place to start. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of people have transformed their health with this simple remedy. From clearing stubborn skin conditions to relieving chronic pain, the results speak for themselves. And the best part? It costs pennies per use, with no dangerous side effects. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. Now I want to hear from you. What health or beauty challenge are you hoping this mixture will help with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're excited to discover more natural remedies that actually work, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because trust me, you won't want to miss what we're sharing next. Your journey to natural health starts right here, right now.